On this episode of the Investment Opportunity Podcast, we tell you why we're even doing the show.
Welcome to the Investment Opportunity Podcast. We'll educate you on the latest investment trends happening in one of the hottest real estate classes, skilled nursing and seniors housing. We'll point out the risks so you can reap the rewards of investing in this growing and complex industry. And now your hosts, Ben Boland and Brandon Boland.
Welcome to the very first brand new episode of the Investment Opportunity Podcast presented by Senwell Senior Investment Advisors.
Did we get a high five or
No,
no?
not right now.
Fist bump?
No.
Okay.
Not with you.
Okay.
We're not even 6 feet, but we're close.
No, we're close.
Yeah. We've been quarantined together. Welcome to the show. I'm Ben Boland, and I'm joined by my twin brother, Brandon Boland. We're both with Senwell Senior Investment Advisors, which is a mergers and acquisitions firm that's focused on seniors care and senior housing. We are bringing this podcast out to the market for several reasons, but first and foremost, we are extremely excited to get this off the ground and rolling. For those of you that are actually watching us on video, we are twins, and for those of you that are listening to us, we are twins. So keep that in mind. We sound exactly alike. We look exactly alike. So unfortunately for our audience, they might have a little bit of...
It works out well because if you can't record the show some days, I can act like I'm two different people.
And then for the audio or for the visual, we can just put both of us in.
We do have a production crew here, but I feel bad for them because they're the ones who have to edit all of it and put our name titles underneath. So I feel bad for those guys.
So anyway, you can watch us on senwelladvisors.com, and you can listen to us anywhere that you might find your podcasts on. So today we want to talk about the who, the what, and the why as to why we're actually doing this podcast.
Yeah. So first off, the who's going to be listening to the show. Really, this is for any owner operator, any skilled nursing or seniors housing operator in the space, and then any real estate owner or investor in skilled nursing and seniors housing. We also want to attract any kind of either new owners and operators or new real estate capital who might be interested in investing in the space as well.
And then in terms of the actual podcast, we want to bring to light basically everything that's going around in the market for specifics in transactions that are going on in seniors housing and senior care. We want to bring a lot of transparency to the forefront, and then basically what it takes to do a deal and highlight some of the risks that might be associated with each deal.
Okay, so finally, I think we want to touch on why we're even doing the show. So Ben and I work closely together on a day-to-day basis, and there's a lot of hidden information in our industry. So if you're in the industry, it's really hard to find information, let alone if you haven't even invested in the space yet,
right,
and you're an owner-operator looking to get in or an investor looking to get in. You just don't know where to go. You don't know how to analyze a deal or what are some of the risk factors that you should be looking at. We're going to touch on all of those things, and we're just here to help make things a little bit more transparent. But the bottom line, we just want to arm our listeners with any kind of information that they would need to make a decision.
Yeah, exactly. So if anybody out there has any suggestions on topics or guests that we should be inviting in onto the show, we're all open ears. So first of all, you can get in touch with us through email. So info@senwelladvisors.com. You can tweet us at senwelladvisors, or you can connect to our LinkedIn Senwell page.
And then if you want to find any more information about this podcast or anything that we're doing over at Senwell, you can always connect with us on our website, which is senwelladvisors.com. Thanks for listening.
Yeah,
Appreciate
we're
it.
excited. Yeah. Thanks for listening.
Thank you for listening to the Investment Opportunity Podcast. If you want to hear more about investing in the skilled nursing and seniors housing industry, head to our website at www.senwelladvisors.com/podcast.